In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a text box in Constant Contact. If you've ever found yourself in the middle of designing an email and realized you no longer need a particular text box, this tutorial is just for you. Let's dive right into the process, and you'll see just how simple it is to manage the layout of your emails more effectively. First off, I need you to ensure that you're logged into Constant Contact and have navigated to the email editor. For this demonstration, I've preloaded a template that I've previously created. Using pre-designed templates can be a huge time saver, but sometimes they come with elements that you don't necessarily want, such as an extra text box. This is where our focus will be today. Now, once you're in the template, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the interface if you aren't already. What we're searching for is any text box you feel is unnecessary or cluttering up your design. In my example here, I'll use one of these text boxes to show you exactly what to do. Take your mouse or trackpad cursor and glide it over the text box you're looking to remove. You'll notice that as you hover over the text box, a small trash icon appears. This is the icon that will allow you to delete the text box effortlessly. It's designed to be intuitive and user-friendly, so you can make adjustments quickly without any confusion. When you see the trash icon pop up, go ahead and click on it. This action instantly removes the text box from your template. It's as simple as that, quick, easy, and efficient. This tool is a great way to streamline your email and ensure that only the most relevant information is being shared with your audience. With the text box now gone, you might find that your email layout looks more polished and straightforward. This not only improves aesthetics, but also enhances readability and user engagement by preventing information overload, a key aspect of effective email marketing. Remember, editing tools like this are meant to give you flexibility and control over your email designs. Don't be afraid to experiment with adding or removing different components to see what best suits your needs and the message you want to convey. Constant Contact is made to be adaptable, supporting you whether you're creating a quick newsletter or a detailed campaign. So there you have it. A straightforward way to delete text boxes in Constant Contact, ensuring that your email layouts remain clean, concise, and clutter-free. Thanks for following along with this tutorial. Make sure to stay tuned for more useful tips and tricks. Happy emailing!